Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Mastering Composition API with Tailwind CSS, a comprehensive tutorial. This tutorial provides a deep dive into using Vue 3's Composition API with Tailwind CSS, demonstrating best practices, common patterns, and how to leverage the strengths of both technologies. We'll cover setting up your project, structuring your components, and building a sample application. Why use Composition API with Tailwind CSS? Asterisk organization and reusability. Composition API allows you to group related logic together into composable functions, making your code more readable, maintainable, and reusable. This is especially crucial for complex components and projects. Asterisk rapid styling. Tailwind CSS. Tailwind provides a utility-first CSS framework, allowing you to style your components directly within your HTML/template using predefined CSS classes. This significantly speeds up development and promotes design consistency. Asterisk separation of concerns. Asterisk while Tailwind styles your markup directly, the Composition API allows you to keep your components' logic, data, methods, lifecycle hooks separate, creating a cleaner and more manageable code base. Asterisk improved type safety. TypeScript. When combined with TypeScript, Composition API offers excellent type safety, catching errors during development rather than runtime. Prerequisites. Asterisk Node.js and npm, or yarn/pnpm ensure you have Node.js installed on your system. Asterisk basic knowledge of Vue.js. Asterisk familiarity with Vue concepts like components, templates, and data binding is essential. Asterisk basic understanding of CSS. Asterisk knowing the fundamentals of CSS will help you understand how Tailwind CSS works. 1. Project setup. We'll start by creating a new Vue 3 project using Vue CLI. During the setup, choose the following options. Asterisk please pick a preset. Asterisk manually select features. Asterisk choose Vue version. Asterisk 3.x. Asterisk choose features. Asterisk choose Vue router, Vuex, CSS preprocessors, linter/formatter. Asterisk pick a CSS preprocessor. Asterisk SAS/SCSS, with Dart SAS, or any other preprocessor you prefer. Asterisk pick a linter/formatter config. Asterisk ESLint with prettier, recommended. Asterisk pick additional lint features. Asterisk lint on save. Asterisk where do you prefer placing config for Babel, ESLint, etc. In dedicated config files. Asterisk save this as a preset for future projects, optional, no. 2. Installing Tailwind CSS. Navigate to your project directory. Install Tailwind CSS, PostCSS, and AutoPrefixer. Create tailwind.config.js and posts.config.js files. This command generates tailwind.config.js and also updates posts.config.js automatically. Tailwind.config.js asterisk content asterisk specifies the files Tailwind should scan for CSS classes. Crucially, make sure this points to your Vue component files. Asterisk theme asterisk allows you to customize Tailwind's default theme, including colors, fonts, spacing, etc. The extend property allows you to add to the default theme instead of overriding it. Asterisk plugins asterisk allows you to add third-party Tailwind CSS plugins. Posts.config.js asterisk. This configuration tells PostCSS to use Tailwind CSS and AutoPrefixer to process your CSS. 3. Importing Tailwind CSS into your project. Create a new CSS file, typically src/assets/css/tailwind.css. Import the CSS file into your src/main.js. 4. Creating a simple component, example. Let's create a simple button.vue component. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk template asterisk contains the button element styled with Tailwind CSS classes. Asterisk we use class with an array of class names. This allows us to dynamically apply classes based on props. Asterisk conditional class application using ternary operators props.variant == primary. Asterisk script setup asterisk this is where the magic of composition API happens. Asterisk define props asterisk defines the props the component accepts. Note the type checking and default values. The validator property ensures the prop only accepts specific values, enforcing type safety and preventing unexpected behavior. Asterisk define emits asterisk defines the events that the component can emit. This is crucial for component communication. Asterisk handle click asterisk a simple function that emits the click event. This shows how to handle events within the composition API setup. Using the component asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk we import the button component. Asterisk we use the button component, passing in props for label, variant, and @click event handler. 5. Composable functions, extracting logic. Let's say we need to manage a counter in several components. We can extract the counter logic into a composable function. Create a file src/composable/usecounter.js. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk useCounter asterisk this is a composable function. It's a regular JavaScript function that uses Vue's reactivity API. Asterisk ref asterisk creates a reactive reference. Count is a reactive variable. Asterisk computed asterisk creates a computed property. DoubleCount automatically updates whenever count changes. Asterisk return asterisk returns an object containing the reactive state and functions. This object becomes available to the component that uses this composable. Using the composable asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk we import useCounter. Asterisk we call useCounter and destructure the returned object to get count, increment, decrement, and DoubleCount. Asterisk we use these values in the template to display the counter and handle button clicks. 6. Dynamic styling with props and computed properties. Let's extend the button component to allow for different color schemes. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk we added a color scheme prop with a default value of blue. Asterisk we created a computed property called color classes. This property returns a string of Tailwind CSS classes based on the value of props.colorScheme. Asterisk we include color classes in the class array, dynamically applying the appropriate color styles. Now you can use the button component with different color schemes. 7. Tailwind CSS directives and customization. Asterisk add apply directive asterisk allows you to extract common CSS patterns into custom CSS classes. While useful in certain situations, overuse can negate the benefits of Tailwind's utility-first approach. Consider carefully before using add apply. Then, import custom.css into main.js and use it in your components. Asterisk theme customization, tailwind.config.js as shown earlier, you can extensively customize Tailwind's theme in tailwind.config.js. This includes asterisk colors asterisk add your own color palette. Asterisk spacing asterisk define custom spacing values, padding, margin, etc. Asterisk font sizes, font families, font weights asterisk adjust font related properties. Asterisk breakpoints asterisk modify or add breakpoints for responsive design. Asterisk shadows asterisk create custom box shadows. Asterisk and much more. 8. Responsive design. Tailwind CSS provides powerful responsive design utilities. You can use breakpoint prefixes, example SM, MD, LG, XL, to apply different styles at different screen sizes. In this example, the Flex and Item Center classes are only applied on medium-sized screens and larger, MD prefix. The width of the two divs will be 50% on medium screens and up. 9. TypeScript integration. Using TypeScript with Vue 3 and Composition API significantly improves code quality and maintainability. Here's how to set it up. 1. Install TypeScript *. 2. Create xconfig.json file *, if you didn't already when creating the project. 3. Update vue.config.js, if it exists. This file is usually created if you customize your Webpack config using the Vue CLI. Now you can start using TypeScript in your Vue components. Here's an example of the button.vue component rewritten with TypeScript. Key TypeScript improvements *. lang equals ts * tells Vue to process the script block as TypeScript. *props interface * defines the type for the component's props. This is crucial for type safety. Define props tells define props to expect the props interface. Type aliases using a type alias color scheme, blue green red, restricts the color scheme prop to specific string literals, preventing typos and unexpected values. Define emits typing using click void, type the events that the component can emit. 10. Best practices. Small, reusable components break down your UI into small, focused components. This makes your code easier to understand, test, and reuse. Meaningful prop names use descriptive prop names that clearly indicate the purpose of the prop. Consistent styling adhere to a consistent styling convention throughout your project. Tailwind CSS helps enforce consistency, but you should still establish clear guidelines. Separation of concerns keep your component's logic separate from its presentation. Use composable functions to extract complex logic. Utilize Tailwind's theme system customize Tailwind's theme to match your brand's design. Optimize for production use Tailwind's Purge CSS feature to remove unused CSS classes from your production build, reducing the size of your CSS file. Configure your tailwind.config.js content to accurately reflect the files that use Tailwind classes. 11. Example application, to-do list. Let's build a simple to-do list application to demonstrate the concepts we've learned. 1. Create a todo item.vue component ***. 2. Create a todo list.vue component ***. 3. Create a todo form.vue component ***. 4. Update app.vue ***. Explanation of the to-do list application ***. App.vue ***, the main component that manages the list of todos and their state. It contains the todo form and todo list components. Todo form.vue ***, a form for adding new todos. It emits an add todo event when the form is submitted. Todo list.vue ** displays a list of todo item components. It takes the todos array as a prop and emits toggle completed and remove todo events. Todo item.vue * represents a single todo item. It displays the todo text and a checkbox for marking it as completed. It also includes a delete button. Data flow the todos array is stored in app.vu. Events are emitted from child components, todo form, todo item, and handled in app.vu to update the state. This example demonstrates how to use Composition API, Tailwind CSS, and component communication to build a simple but functional application. It illustrates how to break down a problem into smaller, manageable components, each responsible for a specific task. The application uses Tailwind CSS for styling and Composition API for managing the state and logic of the components. Conclusion. This tutorial has covered the essentials of using Vue 3's Composition API with Tailwind CSS. By following these principles and practicing with different scenarios, you'll be well equipped to build complex and maintainable Vue applications with a modern and efficient workflow. Remember to leverage the power of composable functions to extract reusable logic and tailor Tailwind's theme to fit your project's needs. Good luck.